Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to disable Steam friend notifications. So, if you don't want to get any notifications when your friends join a game or your friends come into online, you can easily disable your friends notification. Just follow these easy steps. Open your Steam and click on Steam. Click on settings and here select notifications. And now to disable notifications for when a friend joins a game, you can toggle these option off. Also, make sure to toggle off these play sound option. Also, if you want to disable notification for when a friend comes online, disable these two options. And now on, you won't get any notification when your friend joins a game or when your friend comes online. And here you can also disable when I receive a direct chat message. You can also disable when I receive a chat room notification. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.